just the way it is. Pledging the clock, deflecting life's hard knocks, fighting the good fight, searching everywhere for just a little daylight, looking toward God's beautiful sky. You're beautiful, that's for sure. You'll never, ever fade. And you're lovely, but it's not for sure that this world will ever change. Her soul is a kite, twine stretched and held tight. Tempestuous winds blow against her bow, and with all her might, she begins her ascension. Her spirit takes flight right now, like a beautiful bird. A dove's gentle cry, heard all across the sky. Whole house of daring is she, wings lifting her higher and higher, lilting effortlessly.